Hi everyone and welcome to another Jarrison Time informational video. In the following video, we'll be taking a look at managing common columns on the daily summary window. Managing common columns configures the default view for a quick overview of required data. Once we have logged into Jarrison Time, we will first have a look at our daily summary window. Here we will see what we currently have on display. We then right-click anywhere within this window to display a menu. We will then click on the Manage Common Columns option, and this will open the Preferences window. In this window, we will then work with the Daily Summary tab. This window allows us to be able to work with the columns that display on the Daily Summary window by adding, removing, or changing the order of the display. To add a column, we will select an item from the available items list. This can be one of either two items, either the time category prefixed with TIM or the counter category prefixed with CNT. All of these items that are in this list are in the system but do not display in the daily summary window. Now let's select some items that we would like to add to the daily summary window. We can then select one item at a time, or we can hold the control key and select multiple items should we want to. Then we click on the green arrow that points to the right. This will add the items that we have selected to the list on the right. These items will be added to the bottom of the selected items list. The selected items are listed from top to bottom, with the daily summary displaying them from left to right. If we would like to rearrange the order of these items, we will select the item that we would like to use. Then, with the green single or double arrows on the right, we will move the item up or down. The single arrow is used if we want to move the item 1 space, whereas the double arrow is used to move the item 10 spaces. We will continue moving our selected items until we are happy with where the items are. Should we then want to remove an item from the selected items list, we will then select the item and we will click on the green arrow that is pointing left. Then we move on to the Include in Summary View section. Here we can show or hide columns from the daily summary window by ticking or unticking them. Under that, we have the Use User Group Settings option. When this checkbox is enabled, the order of the daily summary view will display according to the configuration defined in the user group settings associated with the logged in user's profile. When this checkbox is disabled, the setup we are busy with here will apply to all of the users. Now that we are done with our setup, we can then click on the Save button, then close the Preferences window, and with that, the daily summary window will then refresh and display the changes that we have now made. We do have another way to get to the Preferences window, and for that, we will head to the menu bar, then click on Setup, followed by clicking on System Preferences, giving us the same window that we just had. Once we are done with all of our changes, we can then close both of the windows and go on working with Jarrison Time. That will be all for this video. For related content, see the description below. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.